viewers, welcome to a brand new episode. Before we have any miscommunication, spread your love by following us and hitting us up on all our social media channels, which is at FeelingsXPLAINED. Huwag na tayong patumpik-tumpik pa at i-rate nyo na kami ng 5 stars. Guys, hindi naman kami nagmamakaawa, di ba?
Pero ako nagmamakaawa ako. Nagmamakaawa ako. I-hit niyo yung bell button so that you will be notified for our next episodes. We release new episodes every Friday. It's your chance to be a certified feeler. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. And of course, another way to show your love and support is to donate to our bank account. Our bank account details are on the description box. Last but not the least, our Dear Feelings Explained segment is always open all season long. Just share your feelings, thoughts, merong mga kailangan yung advice or what. Open ang aming inbox. Just email us at felixxplained@gmail.com.
Gian, what is your small win or shit of the week?
Oh, I have a win. And my win is Nathan Scott. Do you know him?
Yes, Gian.
He's so fucking... Yes, I want him so bad. Like, I love him. Okay, so to our feelers, I am definitely a One Tree Hill person.
Me
As
too.
in, hindi ko alam, ano pa tawag sa fandom na yun? Wala no? Wala pang healers.
Hindi ko alam.
Basta OTH forever talaga. As in like, that's where I learned mga hugot lines.
Yes.
Wisdom about love and cheating and basketball. Wow.
Girl, oo.
Diba?
I wanted to be the girl with the red door.
Exactly.
I wanted to be chosen. I want to be Sophia Bush.
Amen.
And also Peyton dahil medyo emo
Kasi
ako.
siya yung pinili. Ang win ko is that I'm so happy because nag-resurface ang One Tree Hill. Ewan ko kung meron ba silang charity something every year na parang naglalaro yung mga cast members ng basketball na nakikita ko sa TikTok. So, oh my God, talaga, ang perfect ni Nathan. As in, like, he's so buff. And, you know, his body is so, like, hot and perfect.
Yeah.
I want him! As in, naglaway ako sis talaga. Like, oh my God!
Ako ang nilalawayan ko dati noon talaga.
Sino?
Chad Michael Moreno.
I love him. I love him before.
I love him until now.
Oh, really?
Kahit niloko niya ata si
Sophia.
Bush.
Ang dami niya niloko eh. Hindi ko alam kung nasa na siya ngayon, kung nagloloko pa siya.
Ako din.
Diba?
You can do it to me. This is a PSA.
Please do it to us. Oo nga, totoo. Oh my God. I actually love them. But like, right now, my eyes is on Nathan. Like, anyway, okay, yun ang win ko siya. Anyways, ikaw ba? Do you have a win or shit of the week?
I have a win. And speaking of thirsting over fictional athletic characters and their real life counterparts, I am also thirsting over a fictional athletic character and their real counterpart. So, tinapos ko po ang Maxton Hall sa Prime. So, for you feelers who don't know what Maxton Hall is, so it's a German series na very drama romance. So if you guys are into the trope of enemies to lovers, the will they won't they kind of thing, that's perfect for you. And it's actually based on a book.
Okay.
Na titled Save Me. Na
English naman yung book.
No, yung book,
German
din.
Okay.
So wala kang pang mahanap na English translation ng book. But yung bida doon na guy, si James Beaufort, that's the character name. He plays Lacrosse. He's rich as God. And he is so motherfucking hot.
My God.
Even though he plays as a high school student there, in real life, he's 25.
Okay,
So, bagets pa din. Bagets pa din. Pero yung puwet talaga niya, te. I'm so
Actually,
sorry.
yung win, di ba?
Yun yung win.
It's the ass.
I did not see the ass, but like yung size no eyes,
Oh my God,
the muscles of the
the
muscles of the legs, the abs, the motherfucking eyes, and the jawline. God, a girl can dream. And I did. Mga titang nagta-thirst over.
Sorry for being this, but like this is us right now.
I mean, like, he is so hot. The stats are against me right now.
Lord help us.
Lord, please. Init na po kami dito. Init na nga sa Pilipinas. This show is brought to you by Pat and Gian's Blood, Sweat, and Tears. This is a special episode dahil we are entering Dear Feelings Explained segment. So,
Yes.
who's our letter sender?
Okay, so our letter sender, ang sabi niya ay isa siyang frustrated feeler. Bakit siya frustrated? Well, let me read the letter to you. Oh my God, I'm so excited because it's so good. Like, nabasa ko na siya once kasi nag-try na akong ng mga thoughts ko. Pero ito na siya. Dear Ate Pat and Ate Gian, I have a friend since college and it's been more than a decade. Let's call her Gretchen. Itong si Gretchen, si Gagang Gretchen. I want to cut her off because I realize na she's so self-absorbed and not self-aware of how she is and how she acts. Okay. So, female ang ating subject today.
Okay.
She tends to be rude and has no manners. Wow. She always imposes on what she wants or what is convenient for her na tipong kami pa talaga ang mag-a-adjust for her. All the fucking time. And she never would. As in, lagi siyang nagpupumilit. Okay. Mangangamusta si Gretchen, lalo na if someone's going through a breakup or something difficult in life. But she would ask only because she wants the tea. Can you relate to that?
Yeah.
She won't show any genuine concern and ang ending, sasabihin pa niya na kasalanan ko pa na ganun ang nangyari.
Agoy.
Pero itong si Gretchen, she doesn't say much about going through stuff. Basta she's stressed about her work or some other thing. There's no depth in my friendship with her. Being longtime friends with Gretchen, I've been thinking, bakit hindi pa rin siya comfortable enough to share? But fine, kung hindi pa rin talaga, at least man lang, wag niya i-project yung stress niya sa amin. Lalo na kung yung rant niya has been 4 years already and rant ka pa rin? Pero she's not doing anything about it naman. Or just move on. Nakakapagod to hear the same thing or about the same people and I always feel drained after hanging out with her. Yun din actually, I realized na I just don't vibe with her. Ever since we met, I honestly have this off feeling about her. Ooh. Parang laging galit sa mundo, laging may drama, or basically puro negative things sinasabi niya. My gosh, ano ba naman to? Ang daming hanash ni ate.
Nash, okay.
The way she speaks is so trashy. Parang tambay sa kanto. Kaya nakaka-toxic talaga. Her mouth is like a toxic waste. Wow, I can feel the passion in this letter.
Inis niya sa toxic waste eh. Grabe.
Toxic waste, my God. Biodegradable. Sometimes passive-aggressive as a kind of joke. I don't find it funny, by the way. Sometimes medyo rude or offensive pa. OMG. Okay, ito na. Gretchen also doesn't get social cues, nor can she read between the lines. She would always invite herself sa mga ganap with my inner circle sa barkada. Sometimes, even sa other group of friends ko, gusto niya sumama kasi may mutuals kami pero hindi niya rin naman ka-close. I would basically tell her na next time na lang or I would ask the others first if it's okay for her to join. But no, Gretchen will insist because she just wants to hang out. Minsan, she has the audacity to impose on the time and place. But girl, you're not even invited in the first place. Parang ang dense niya talaga or sadyang ignorant. Alam niyo yung movie na Mean Girls? Si Gretchen Wieners? That's her, basically. But I want to be the one to tell her na, you can't sit with us!
Kinaya mo talaga yung Kenzie.
Right? Oh my God. Because I love the musical, by the way. Anyway, ito na, malapit na tayo guys. I want to cut Gretchen off my life. But with her narcissistic tendencies, she might steer some drama within our group. Pero I'm just so done with her. I don't want to waste any more energy for her. I have so much love for my barkada, but none for Gretchen Wieners. Pa-help naman po on how to deal with this. Adulting is hard, but dealing with gagang Gretchen is harder. P.S. I love your podcast and I can really relate to it na parang kachika ko rin kayo in person every episode. Sincerely, a frustrated feeler. Medyo hindi niya napigilan ng kanyang mga feelings.
Yeah, hindi talaga.
Nag-all out siya.
She explained. She really did explain.
I love that though. I mean, I appreciate this feeler. Thank you so much. Kung sino ka man. Ang ganda ng flow nung chika. Parang talagang, wow. Wow. She know her words. Wow.
Yeah. Tsaka nilatag niya.
Nilatag niya. Importante yun para makapagbigay kami ng, ano ba? Inspirasyon.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ng context.
So, okay, first thoughts.
Ako, inisip ko naman, then siguro, with regards to like the second or third paragraph,
Okay.
na yung about her joke and how she speaks.
Oh, yeah.
Ako feeling ko that's just her humor. Siguro lang din
Yeah,
siguro lang
possible.
din na hindi lang talaga nagva-vibe yung humor nila kasi 'di ba may mga ibang tao na yung humor talaga nila ay very, very passive aggressive and
Okay.
and it's just not clicking with her and
Yeah.
that's not her fault. Alam mo yun,
Yeah.
hindi fault ni frustrated
Hindi
feeler yun,
frustrated
eh.
feeler
Oo,
na maramdaman
na
yun.
oo, tsaka na hindi niya kasi vibe talaga yung gano'ng
Yeah.
humor na parang 'pag sinabi yung, "Bakit ang suot mo?" Alam mo yun?
Oo.
Kasi
Makes sense.
yung ibang tao kayang sakyan yung gano'n, eh. Yung ibang tao talaga like, "I will not fuck with you today, so do not fuck with me."
Yeah.
Oo, gano'n.
So, because sometimes, minsan pagka alam mong off ka na, kasi parang 'di ba nabanggit niya na simula pa lang nung ewan ko kung college ba or basta parang
Oo,
ever since
oo.
meeting this person, may off feeling na siya. And
Yeah.
I remember having that experience with somebody na parang wala siyang ginagawa sa'kin,
Yeah.
basta hindi ko siya gusto. And when that is parang if na-turn on na yun sa'yo,
Mahirap it doesn't
mahirap
mahirap
na
na
siyang
siya
i-off.
totoo.
Yung parang, by default, I fucking don't like you. Your humor, everything you say is now, like,
Oh, yeah,
trash
it's
to
an
me.
ick.
Kaya
Yeah.
nga, siguro kaya nga nasabi na toxic ways.
Toxic ways,
Oh my
exactly.
gosh.
Which leads me to the thing na palagi sinasabi ni mama
Okay.
na and I know I've mentioned this to you,
Okay.
na ayokong matubuan ng inis. Kasi 'pag ako
Yeah.
tinubuan ng inis, tuloy-tuloy na siya. So, it looks like
Guilt as
frustrated,
sin.
right?
Yeah.
It looks like frustrated feeler, hindi na siya tinubuan, eh.
Oo.
Medyo lanta na siya ng inis. Based
Yeah.
based sa ano, sa outpouring ng
Exactly.
ano niya,
So she mentioned that it's been more than a
a
decade.
decade.
Medyo malala na to,
Oo.
ate.
Pero
Overdue na.
overdue na. Pero kasi, ang gets ko yung side niya kasi nga naman, wala naman lang parang like inviting yourself.
Oh God. Kasi God.
Like ito, 'di ba sinabi niya parang wala daw manners. Like,
Bruh.
I feel like inviting yourself to a hangout,
Yes.
ano siya, it's a bit off. Alam mo yun? Na
Lalo na kung mutuals lang,
Yeah.
hindi naman kayo tropa talaga.
oo, tsaka yung parang hindi ka naman talaga invited.
Imbitado, oo.
Oo. And then you invite yourself in. Ako, mahihiya ako.
Exactly.
Like kunyari, let's say
And
let's say
insecure
na
not to be in a place where you're not even invited to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the invitation was not extended to me, tas
Yeah.
narinig lang,
Yeah.
parang in passing, tas I will not.
Who would
Kasi
do that?
kasi hindi naman ako kailangan dun.
Exactly.
Kasi kung kailangan ako dun, sinabihan na ako.
Oo. Kung talagang, kumbaga, kung close kayo talaga or gusto ka ng mga tao na nandun,
Or if they want your opinion,
Exactly,
diba?
yeah.
They would have consulted it already.
Example na lang for me, kunwari, meron akong yung mga pinagdaanan ko dati na ikukuwento ko lang muna sa'yo kasi komportable na ako sa'yo, eh. Kung ako si frustrated feeler at meron akong gustong sabihin dun sa isang friend, tapos itong si Gretchen ay pumasok sa eksena nang hindi ko sinabing gusto kitang pumasok sa eksena, Gretchen. Wala ka sa eksenang 'to. Sabi ng direct, "Ay lumayo ka, hindi ka dito, kailangan do'n ka sa other location." Ba't ka pupunta? Bakit mo isisiksik ang sarili mo sa isang lugar na hindi ka inimbitado? Wow,
Feelers, kailangan natin ko si Kuya Rafi na talaga dito. Wawala tong kasama ko, eh.
And also, like, nakaka-relate ako sa kanya. To be
Yeah.
honest. Sinabi niya ang mga
Kaya ako naman din nasabi na Gretchen lacks manners or common courtesy because I used to be a Gretchen. Not in a sense na like inviting myself out in spaces where I'm not supposed to be.
Yep.
Until na I realize na, okay, they don't want me here, they're tolerating me here. So, ang magkakaiba lang namin because I read between the lines.
Yeah,
I read between the lines na parang kaya pag may naririnig yung mga friends, or hindi pala friends, pag may naririnig akong na gathering, tapos biglang slip of tongue, like, na hindi nila sinasadya na nandito ako nasabi, parang ako, okay, dead ma.
Diba? At saka, din, I guess hindi lang din talaga ako yung type ng person na magki-care enough dun sa mga usapang
Yeah.
hindi naman ako involved.
Exactly.
It's just so fucking, why would I fucking
And it's
meddle?
exactly.
No.
At saka parang nung ano,
Feel na feel ko.
hindi, at saka I remember mo, parang we
Oh.
had this conversation about a friend who had a birthday party.
Okay.
You had an invitation, tapos parang
Oo.
nag-message ka sa'kin, parang sabi niya, "Hey, naka-receive, punta ako sa ano, sa birthday ni ganitong person."
Oo.
Oo,
Ako ba nagsabi?
ikaw nagsabi, tinanong mo
yeah.
ako.
Oo nga pala.
Tapos sabi ko, "Well, wala naman ako na-receive na invitation, so hindi naman ako pupunta."
Yeah.
Tsaka kahit invite niya ako, day
Hindi
off or
ka
the
rin
day
puwede.
before, hindi rin ako puwede. At saka kasi it's like this feelers, para lang din alam niyo yung common courtesy.
Yun.
'Pag yung tao ay narinig parang so, let's say, frustrated feeler, si Gretchen, ako, si Gian, let's say.
Oh, 4 kami.
4 kami. Nag-uusap silang tatlo about sa, let's say, gathering saan
Sa
ba?
swimming sa Los Baños.
Sa swimming sa Los Baños. May swimming sila sa ano, sa hindi Los Baños, ano yung place sa
Splash
Laguna,
Island.
ano yung place sa Laguna na palaging pinag-swimmingan? Sa
Laia.
hindi,
Sinabi ko na
Laguna,
Los Baños nga yun.
hindi Los Baños,
Kalamba?
hindi.
Pansol.
Pansol! Ayun. Gusto ko Pansol, eh.
Nagmi-miscommunicate tayo. Charot.
And
Okay,
ayan,
gets,
so
gets.
kay si Gretchen, si Frustrated
Setting.
Cleaner, at saka ito ay may usapan sa Pansol, tas narinig ko. At nahiya na lang si Gian na, "Oh, gusto mo sumama? Huwag kang sasama." Kasi
it's a common
it's a common courtesy to offer.
Yeah.
But it's also a common courtesy na
Decline.
to decline because the fact na in-invite ka lang nila dahil nandyan ka ay
Yeah.
most probably hindi ka talaga nila kasama, especially on weddings.
Oh God.
Pag like
Oh,
late,
yeah.
you have the late invitation, most probably, dalawa lang yan, either nakalimutan ka nila or hindi ka talaga invited tas narinig mo lang.
Diba?
Yun lang yun.
Yeah.
And
And birthdays.
and birthdays.
Also.
Tsaka kaya dapat there are no hard feelings when you're not invited to
Yeah.
a certain space. Kasi sila lang naman yung chosen, kaya parang ako na-frustrate din ako dito
Oh, diba?
kay Gretchen.
Frustration to na Gretchen, uwi ka na nga.
Kasi
Oh my God, I don't even know Gretchen, but yeah.
but it's social cues, it's common courtesy,
Social
manners.
cues. That is the fucking keyword. Oh my God.
It's manners.
It's
Inviting yourself then.
being oblivious of the fact that you're not supposed to be there, that says something about you. Na
Mhm.
you really do not know how to read the room.
Yeah. That or wala siyang pake.
Wala siyang pake. But also, alam mo, isa pang angulo na isip ko naman is, what if this person has this case of FOMO? Which is, again, not a frustrated feeler's problem.
Yeah.
But it is a thing na parang,
Ako may FOMO ako, sisi.
sabihin mo, diba? Sis.
Eh, di ba kichismis ka lang kung ano nangyari?
And
Kung
also,
gusto nilang i-share.
yeah.
Pero, ang isang, like, sa akin dito, is like, di ba,
I love the segmentation of this.
right?
Yeah.
This is us.
This is how we
This
process
is how we
actually the
process
feelings, TBH.
Like, di ba dito sabi niya, nangangamusta si Gretchen lalo na if someone's going through a breakup or something difficult in life.
Red
But
flag.
she would ask only because she wants the tea. Like, dude, what the fuck is that?
Yeah, that's the disrespect. Yeah.
I mean, I get it. I
Oo.
get, like, I get the curiosity.
Minsan.
I get the curiosity kasi kahit tayo minsan, uy, nag-break ba si ganito?
Exactly. I love that.
That's chismis. Okay.
Marites.
Gets on a level. I understand. I
Oh.
see you. I look at you. We are the same person.
Kids. Amen.
Pero, like, if you know the person going through a breakup,
Yeah.
let's say, wala naman siya sinabi kung kilala niya, di
Kung
ba?
beshi
Kung
sila.
assuming lang ako,
Oo,
assuming lang
sige.
ako, assuming lang na kung kilala niya, parang, hindi ba, respeto na lang din?
Oo.
Na kung hindi ikaw yung kailangan niya, sisiksik mo pa yung sarili mo doon at pagchichismisan mo pa.
Feeling ko kasi, itong si Gretchen, feeling pa relevant. Basically, very Gretchen winners na parang, alam niya nang annoying, or actually, baka oblivious siya eh.
Isa din kasi yun.
Feeling ko hindi niya alam na annoying siya. So, ang tanong ko kay a frustrated feeler, have you ever tried to like, ask the person, or like,
I doubt.
nudge the
I doubt.
person of like, because honestly, it's hard.
I doubt. Kasi based din sa sa like context clues na siya.
Gets, okay,
Based
okay.
na lang din sa sinasabi niya.
Tama,
na like
tama.
it's been more than a decade. If nasabi niya na yan, if ngayon niya lang to assuming
Oo.
sabihin natin na i-assume ko na ngayon niya lang 'to nailabas or kung sa nailabas man niya sa iba niyang friends, hindi
Okay.
natin alam.
Okay.
Pero the fact na sinabi niya nga dito na more than a decade and gusto niya lang i-cut off, ibig sabihin hindi niya
Kumbaga
wala siyang
wala din siyang
hindi pa niya
initiative.
nasasabi,
Oo.
hindi pa niya nasasabi.
Hindi pa na-communicate kasi pwedeng ako, because I think I've been kind of in the same situation wherein I also want to cut off somebody. But like, it's a silent cut off na parang it doesn't have to be loud na parang, oh, I don't wanna be your friend. I mean, if that is what it's gonna take for you to understand that I don't want to be your friend, maybe I should do it. I mean, iniisip ko yun nga sa sarili ko, putting myself on a frustrated feeler's shoes.
Yeah.
But like, that is so fucking hard. Like,
It is.
wala akong puso to like say that I don't wanna be your friend anymore. Because I literally, that's the feeling, that's the truth. I mean, I know I advocate for the truth, but there are some truths that are so fucking hard to say
Yeah.
and like painful to give to another person.
Yeah.
Parang, I'm not gonna be that person for you. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna keep quiet. So,
But isn't that sort of like fucked up then?
din talaga yun. Oo. I mean, I'm fucked up as hell na parang, yeah, I don't really deserve to speak on this.
Yeah.
Because I'm also kind of like going through the same-ish.
Yeah.
Parang, pero kasi, ito yung thing, I don't care enough to cut you off. Do you know what I'm saying? Na parang,
Yeah,
I
sort
don't
of,
care
yeah.
enough about this friendship to actually cut you off. Oh my God, does that make sense? Hindi ko alam. Pero parang, I just wanna let it die on its own. Can it die on its own? Is that, hindi eh. Kasi parang, feeling ko si a frustrated feeler, she's more of like, actively wants to cut it off. Like,
Yeah,
scissors it.
Like, take the root out.
Oo.
Oo.
Kasi nga annoying. Kasi ako, ramdam ko din yung feeling na parang, magbibigay ka ng chismis or kung ano man.
Maglabas ka sa loobin mo.
So, mag-open ka, you're gonna be vulnerable, you have all these chicas to your friends, and then you get nothing. You get what? I mean, yeah, you get probably, ano ba tawag doon? Support, whatever, moral support. Pero yung kung close kayo talaga at meron kayong trust enough sa isa't isa, hindi ba dapat nag-share din yung isa? Like, para siyang, it's a two-way street eh. Hindi pwedeng, ako lang nang ako yung chika.
Nag-gets kasi sabi mo.
Oo, kasi na-experience ko din yung ganun na kind of friendships na I'm always the one who's telling shit. Saan gumawa naman ako nito?
Gets.
So,
Nag-gets kita dyan. Ako naman, kaya nag-gets kita in a way na like, ang hirap nga naman talaga. Let's say, ako kunyari kami ng best friend ko.
Oo.
Sabihin natin, 20 years na kaming friends. Tapos biglang, wala siyang nasasabi sa akin anything. Parang, do you really trust me to be your friend?
Exactly. Why are we even friends if we don't have anything to talk about?
Or if you don't even trust me enough.
Yeah.
Diba? Kaya parang, nagigets ko kung saan nanggagaling talaga tong si frustrated feeler. Kasi aside na nga doon sa not sharing, or, I mean, hindi naman siya parang requirement. Alam mo yun? But it's just that, it's the trust eh. It's not the sharing of anything, but it's a trusting.
Yeah.
Like, do you trust me enough
Yeah.
to give you advice or to at least to listen to you?
Yeah.
Kasi if not, why are we still here?
Exactly. And also, what's unfair is that the frustrated feeler seems like she's the person na who would give or like who would be open enough or vulnerable enough to share, okay, ito yung pinagdadaanan ko ha. Feeling ko ganun eh. Kaya siya, I mean, I don't think she's gonna write something like this if it's not that big of a deal. Especially, decades na nga or more than a decade. So parang, it's also really telling of like, what type of friend is Gretchen? Feeling ko ha, kasi parang, girl, share sa'yo. So, malamang ikaw, hindi naman sa required na parang laging pantay eh. Hindi naman ganun. Meron minsan na parang, okay, ito lang ang kaya ko. Yung 20 ko ay 100 na. Yung ganun, diba?
Gets.
Na parang hindi pantay talaga lagi sa friendship. Pero, mapapansin mo kasi yung pattern na parang, bakit parang ako na lang ng ako. Feeling ko, nandun na sa point si AFF. Wow. Ang haba ng frustrated feeler. Si AFF na, si AF.
Pati ba naman yung yung letter sender yung show mo? Wala na tayong
Anything fitness forever. Ayun, si AF. Eh, baka nga parang napagod na. Kasi mukhang she's over it. But
Yeah.
wait, if you are on this position, in this position, Pat, would you care enough for the friend? Would you care to preserve the friendship? Or like, you know what? Fuck this. You haven't changed one bit, bitch. Get the fuck out of my face. You're out.
Honestly, kung ako yung nasa posisyon niya, it's gonna be a hard conversation. Pero I will psych myself to do it.
Okay. But you
Kasi
would,
if
ikaw
I-
na mag-initiate.
Oo.
Okay.
Ako
Hindi ka
na
mag-initiate.
mag-initiate.
Okay, okay.
Kasi parang, para saan pa?
Mm-mm.
And as an outsider looking in, ako siguro, just like, ibigay mo sa kanya yung hindi niya binibigay sa'yo, that common courtesy.
Ah,
Like, na parang, hey,
fuck.
you know what? This is not working
giving.
out. It's not working out. Why? Because you
Did they send that?
Hindi, you lack the common courtesy.
Yeah,
Yung common courtesy lang of the basic, or at least the basic decency
Yeah.
of
being a friend.
being a friend. Sabihin natin na yon, na I don't think that you trust me enough. Simulan na lang natin doon. You don't trust me enough.
Yeah.
Kasi pwede mong gawing yun yung doon naman kasi mukha yung root cause nung lahat eh. You don't trust me enough, tas nag-pile up na lang because
Yeah.
Gretchen keeps inviting herself to spaces na hindi naman siya invited.
Yeah.
And it's becoming uncomfortable.
Yeah, it's becoming very annoying.
So,
Because like,
Actually,
what?
actually,
It's so fucking annoying, bitch.
kung ako yung nasa posisyon nga niya, I'd probably start the conversation by saying na alam mo, it's a bit uncomfortable, honestly, na parang, kunyari,
Why are you putting yourself?
ikaw si Gretchen, na,
To
ang
say it
sabihin ko
like-
talaga sa'yo na, medyo uncomfortable na parang, ano siya, na you're coming on into a space na hindi,
Yeah.
na, hindi naman sa hindi ka invited, pero pinipilit mo yung sarili mo. Hindi sa ayaw ka namin. It's just that,
There are
reserved.
things that are not for you.
Oo,
maybe.
reserved lang. Pero then, kasi I have never had a conversation like that dahil yung mga kaibigan ko, marunong makiramdam.
Diba? Putang ina. Alam mo, sis,
Tsaka walang nagtatampo. Ang sabihin lang, nag-dinner pala kayo? Oo. Tapos may biro na lang din ako sinama. So, sorry, next time.
exactly.
Tapos na.
Ang naisip ko naman, okay, again, it seems like Gretchen is oblivious of the fact that these are the facts. These are the hard truths na parang, girl, common courtesy. But obviously, mukhang wala siyang common sense kasi wala siyang common courtesy to know na yung ginagawa niya ay overstepping a boundary between close friends. Kasi parang it seems like mutuals nga lang. So,
Oo.
sis, hindi lahat ng mutuals ay sinasama mo sa putang inang inuman nyo, ate. Hindi ganun.
T.
Lahat ba ng mutual mo sa FB, invited sa birthday mo, kasal mo, girl?
Exactly.
Danes.
Alam mo, ito din, ang masasabi ko lang din kay frustrated feeler. Dahil nasabi mo na nga yung boundary. If he's crossing, if Gretchen is crossing the boundary, you have to double, like red line that boundary. So you really need to have that conversation. Kasi kung di ba ikaw sabi mo, you let it
Yeah,
die,
I'll let it fester.
mas maiinis ka to the point na
Actually,
kakaayawan mo siya. So mamili ka, ayaw mo sa kanya, magiging ayaw mo na sa kanya, like your once friend becomes your like most annoying person in your life, or mas okay na friends kayo kahit magkalayo. Mamili ka. Kasi yun lang naman yun eh.
Okay. So ibig sabihin, kapag in-address yung chika na to, yung issue,
Pag in-address mo yung issue, there's a chance that you could salvage the friendship.
okay, nga, actually.
You have a chance to salvage the friendship. At least, dahil nandyan siya,
arm's length.
medyo kahit paano malayo siya, or at least if Gretchen respects the boundary enough, at least
Yeah.
she knows that at least maayos yung friendship eh. Pero kung ayaw mo na rin talaga sa kanya at gusto mo na talaga, let's burn this bridge.
I'm so that girl. I wanna burn it.
If you want to burn it,
okay, how do I burn it?
hating that person, like hating that person. Kaya
Wala. Okay.
Oo.
Fuck me. Oh my God.
Magsimula na ang offboarding process.
Resignation
pa lang.
The great resignation.
Oo.
Oh my God.
Mas resignation ng
Mas
mga kaibigan. Oo. Outgrowing your friends.
Outgrowing your friends. Oh my God.
Kasi yun eh.
Ito okay doon.
Kasi pwede mo naman din i-burn yung bridge na walang nasasaktan. Kasi kung gusto mong masaktan, edi hayaan mong mangyari yan.
Maagnas.
Kasi it's like pushing, a button, it's
Yeah.
like pushing your nerve kung
Yeah.
hinahayaan mo siya.
Exactly, that's
Eh, hindi
true.
naman tayo lahat pinanganak na martir, and I doubt na martir 'tong si, Frustrated
Si
Cleaner,
AFF.
given sa tawag na nga niya kay Gretchen ay
Ay,
Gagang Gretchen.
Gagang Gretchen na talaga, ate.
Mm.
I'm just curious siguro, like, if there's anything I want the feeler to add, wow, nag-request pa, is yung dynamic. Well, sinabi niya hindi naman daw deep yung friendship.
At
So,
saka parang
hindi sila beshi.
at saka mukhang hindi siya part ng inner circle kasi nga 'di ba,
Kasi may iba pang inner
Really,
circle. Make sense naman.
Gretchen is tama. Gretchen is inserting herself to
Yeah.
the inner
Oh
circle.
my God, that's so sad. I mean, ang lungkot nun, yung para isingit mo yung sarili mo. Hindi ka ba nahihiya, ate? I mean,
Alam mo, I have
oh
a
my
feeling
God.
na lonely 'tong si si Gretchen.
Oo. Pero kasi, ito naman yung argument ko dyan or something, na parang, if you're that lonely, the reason why you have your friends, if you really trust and if you really have a meaningful friendship to cherish and to take care of, wouldn't you be the one to initiate a conversation about, hey, ito yung pinagdadaanan ko, and it's not about taking space. I don't think that's taking space. That is being a friend and allowing people to help you. Allowing people in your life.
Okay.
If you want them to fucking stay.
Yeah.
And,
Correct.
or maybe, 10 years na ba yung processing ng emotions mo, ate? I mean, I'm sorry, I know we all have our fucking timelines, but like, that is too much. A decade? Bitch! Go to the corner.
Feel na feel naman ito kasama ko itong ano. Grabe naman. Yun totoo.
Ako nagsulat.
Ikaw yung nagsulat, no?
Ako nagsulat, ate.
Charis.
I will come clean.
Na,
Charis.
Hindi, ito lang nga, playing devil's advocate.
Okay.
I know sometimes I fucking hate playing devil's advocate. But like,
Okay.
what if hindi lang siya
That type of person.
marunong mag-share? Kasi nga, remember,
It's not
I'm
good.
playing this because I used to be a Gretchen Wieners.
Okay. Okay, Gretchen.
I used to be Gretchen.
Yeah.
So, before I became the boss.
Or sino ba yung kalabiliktaran ni Gretchen Wieners? Katie Heron?
No,
No, not even.
Janice.
Janice. Oh, before it turned Janice.
Before I turned into a Janice.
Ano bang ginawa? Ano ba
Hindi
nangyari?
kasi, ako kasi yung type ng tao na hindi ako
Hindi
ako ma-share.
ma-share.
Hindi ako ma-share.
Gets.
Alam mo yan, alam ng
Actually,
mga best
gusto ko.
friends ko yan na, tsaka lang pag
Mamamalaga
nalulungko na ako, tsaka lang ako lalapit. Alam mo
Actually,
yun?
yung mga ganyang tao nga.
Oo, pag kunya
Okay.
na-overwhelm na ako, tsaka ko lang siya
Gets.
masasabi.
Yeah, gets.
What if ganun siyang type ng tao?
Okay.
That or sa iba niya na ilalabas.
Okay,
Sa ibang tao.
Maybe that is definitely a possibility, and okay lang yon. I mean, valid naman na maging ganon, like, 'di ba, na maging Gretchen sometimes, or like,
Hindi like,
valid na hindi talaga mag-share in that depth.
wait lang. Gretchen, ano ba? Ang haba na kasi nga talaga ng ano,
Oh,
Frustrated
diba?
Feeler.
Oh, si
So, filler, ano ba? Anong level ba ng ano bang binigay niya sa'yo? Ano bang binibigay niya sa'yo?
Alam mo, feeling ko walang binibigay. Sis, hindi naman yan mag-iinarte ng ganyan kung mag-iinarte. I'm sorry. Feeler, I
Hindi siya
apologize.
mag-rant.
I apologize.
Oo. Hindi siya mag-rant.
Actually,
Oo.
oo.
Ng ganyan.
Oo.
Kung gets ko naman, kasi 10 years. For sure naman may naibigay naman ng 10 years. Pero like, hindi siguro nga lang.
Ako naman, parang posible din kasing iba yung the way of receiving and accepting the love language. 'Di ba? Kung ano kaya yung love language ni Gretchen?
Ang feeling ko love language nito, quality time. Kasi nga, inviting herself. Gusto niya ng time.
Okay.
Sa tama ka nga naman kasi sinabi mo nga, it's the love language. Eh, anong love language niya, Not spending quality time.
So, ano kayang love language? Okay.
Okay, ang quality time, just not with you.
Ang ganda nun. Oo, to be honest. Hindi kasi, hindi totoo naman. Sa totoo lang, meron din, ewan ko kung may study ba or something, nabasa ko lang din ata to, na parang, di ba there are people na medyo energy suckers and drainers?
Oh, yeah.
And then meron namang energy givers. Siguro in that spectrum, giver si AFF.
Yeah.
As a feeler, she's a giver, diba? And the
Oo.
other non-feeler, or I don't know,
Gretchen,
the
oo.
Gretchen of the world, is a drainer or a sucker.
Iba yung naisip ko sa soccer.
I know. It's giving Nathan Scott.
It's giving me to...
It's giving Maxton.
Oo.
Maxton.
Maxton Hall. It's giving me to James Beaufort.
Oh, diba? Ganun. Which makes me think the compatibility of the friendship. Because we really can't be friends with everyone. It's
Yeah.
just like Ariana singing We Can't Be Friends.
Parang tanong, si frustrated feeler ba? Parang di niya na i-wait for your love.
I don't think so. Well, we would never know, but
Sige.
yeah.
O sige, ito na po ang segment naming
Feelings with love.
from Feelings with Love. Gian, anong ma-advise mo? Aside, ano ba ang parang pinaka main advice mo kay frustrated feeler?
Oh my God. Ang dami. Well, to be honest, girl,
Kung wala kang mabibigay, kung yung relate na relate sa ating dalawa, ewan ko na lang talaga.
actually, hindi kasi sobrang magiging hypocrite ako para sabihin. Feeling ko ikaw magsasabi ng kausapin mo.
Oo.
Ang akin kasi is, sometimes, when we are, parang pag nandun na tayo sa bingit ng, fuck, tapos na talaga ako. Minsan ganun na yun, parang pag tapos ka na,
Yeah.
tapos na, diba?
Yeah.
So, ako, I wouldn't force anything. Parang, baka hayaan natin kung ganyan si Gretchen, pero ang sama, ang pangit kasi nun eh.
Exactly. Kaya ako, ang gusto ko, alam mo, ang mapapayo ko sa'yo, at saka kay frustrated feeler, dahil ramdam na ramdam mo, pumunta ko kay Rapi Tulfo. Patulfo yun, para tapos na.
Actually,
Hindi, sige, ganito. The way that I process things kasi is, of course, I will, ito totoo to, sincere chika to ha, na parang, whenever I go through that kind of off feeling or cringe feelings with friends, wow, I would, again, as per usual, I would sit down with myself and evaluate. Sige nga. Ako, self-evaluate talaga ako. Alam mo yan?
Yeah.
I would literally call myself out about, okay, baka naman ang arte ko naman talaga, baka naman nag-i-inartil ako. Minsan ginaganon. Self-check ko talaga na parang, ako din ba? Baka naman kasi, ine-enable ko yon yung ganong behavior. Di ba parang sinasabi nila, and sinabi mo rin to, at sinabi ko na rin na parang, what you allow will continue. But I keep allowing it, bitch.
I keep allowing the abuse to happen.
So yun, self-check, ano mo yun, kapaka din sa sarili. Look in the mirror din, baka naman ikaw naman talaga yung enabler of this toxic behavior that you're saying, diba? I have 3Ds for this woman.
Are you ready for this?
Are you ready for the offboarding?
Offboarding process.
Offboarding process. Sinabi mo offboarding. So, dahil sinabi mo offboarding, nakagawa ako ng mga saloobin. Wow!
Bilis.
Ng mga
Verbs. Nakaisip ako.
ng mga verbs na pwede nating ipayo sa mga tao na
pinagdadaanan din ang pinagdadaanan ni Af-Af.
Feeler, sorry ito kasama ko.
Sobrang toxic nito, guys. As in,
sorry, this is just on a whim, but like, for me, naisip ko decline. Decline invitation. Parang, kumbaga, don't allow na yung sinasabi mo na baka magtanim ng galit.
Magtanim ng tubuan ng inis.
Tubuan ng inis. Di ba parang, kasi syempre, pag the more that you have interactions with the person, ganyan, mas susceptible to like, naiiris ako dito.
Yeah.
Parang ganun. So, parang siguro ngayon, baka kailangan ng space.
Yeah.
As in, a big fucking space. Because like, that was 10 years of bullshit. So,
yeah.
You know, so like, or more than 10 years. So, decline some invitations or all invitations. Not naman lahat, but like, alam mo yun, most.
Distance yourself.
Disengage. Oo. Ay, ang ganda ng distance.
Mamili ka. Tatlo lang yung sinabi mo, nakakadalawa ka na.
Disengage is my word. This is so toxic talaga, but I feel like it aligns, diba? So, again, parang offboarding talaga yan, sis. Decline all meetings. Disengage all possible interactions. Kasi parang, give Gretchen the room.
Give Gretchen room to read.
paano nga kung di siya marunong magbasa? Illiterate nga. Hindi marunong magbasa. Anong gagawin natin? Ano? Anong gagawin niya doon? Pag ang isang taong hindi marunong magbasa, binigyan mo ng libro, anong gagawin niya doon?
Huwag na nga. Distance na lang.
Distance na lang.
Joke, parang,
Pero
disengage.
gets in, oo.
Alam mo naman, may point naman ako.
Oo, may
sis.
point naman. Pero kasi, ang pangit lang na sinabi mo, give her space to room to read. Eh, sinabi na kanya, hindi marunong magbasa ng, hindi marunong. Just give, this thing is, disengage.
Ayun.
Disengage. Okay, yeah, like, just lessen the interactions and all that. And then third, ano ba yung third ko?
Deny.
Deny all allegations. Pero sige, instead of deny distance, wow, parang yun na din yun. Basta, okay
Basta
na
yun, oo,
ang
pwede
dami na
na.
nun, ang dami na nun ba? Putang ina na.
Rafi.
Rapid hold up. Hindi, halika na. Tama ka na dito.
Siguro naman, feeler, nakatulong na ako.
Oo.
Pero,
Sa totoo lang yun. Yun talaga yung naisip ko talaga na parang ways. As in like, proactive ways to like, you know, let her marinate on this feeling
Oo.
first. Before,
Cutting off kasi din eh. For your mental health.
Yeah.
Nag-gets mo ba't mo siya
oh,
gagawin.
diba,
Yeah.
diba? Follow the offboarding process by Gian Viadka. Ikaw, Pat, where do you go from?
Ang
Na hindi
advice
sa-
ko,
na hindi si Rafi
Oo.
yung ano pupuntahan.
Ako, kung hindi, pwede tayo lumapit kay sa ino to, yung dati kay Chang Ami.
face to face.
Face to face.
Bakit natin tinog-show? Uy, feelers, I'm just saying, sana ay totohanin yung magsulat pa rin naman.
Oo.
Kayo, kahit na
hindi namin kayo dog show yun.
pinagtatawa na namin. Kaya, this just hits close to
home. Hindi, yung ito, totoo to na hindi kayo aabot kay Rafi Tulfo face to face. Walang ganon. Walang parinigan sa Facebook. Ganyan.
Oh, that's so petty. Yeah.
Ako, I feel like, nagigets ko kung bakit mo gagawin yun, Gian.
Yeah.
I get it. And sadly, may mga ganun talagang friendships na nag-end.
Yeah.
Na
Sadly.
like letting it die.
Yep.
Ako, aminado ako, there are friendships na hinayaan ko na lang mamatay talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi then, may lack din sa effort ko at lack din sa effort nila. So, there is no love lost there,
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah.
Ang sa akin lang, like, I feel like, hindi ka naman maiinis ng ganyan if there wasn't love.
Yeah.
Diba? Hindi ka maiinis ng ganyan if there wasn't love eh. So ako, I feel like, mas, get the hard conversation. Like, it's gonna be bloody and it's gonna be,
Yeah.
it's gonna be shitty. Aminin na natin yan. It's gonna be one of the shittiest things you'll ever do.
Yep.
Pero mas okay na that you get shit all over now kesa down the line, sabihin natin, somewhat friends kayo, tapos may masabi kang
Yeah.
hindi mo gustong masabi. Alam mo yon? Tapos biglang since hindi pala niya alam, nag-pile up na lang, so nagulat na lang din siya.
That's
So, mas malaking away pa siya.
mag-end ka pa na masama. Ikaw yung masama.
Oo.
Parang gano'n.
Tsaka parang it's a breakup. You don't want someone ghosting
It's a
you.
breakup.
Yeah, you don't want someone ghosting you. 'Di ba? Pagtapos ng
Well,
10 years of relationship,
yeah.
'di ba?
Yeah.
Kahit sabihin natin ikaw yung ghosty, if ikaw yung ikaw yung ghoster. Kahit sabihin natin na if the situations were reversed, sabihin natin ikaw yung oblivious one or
Yep.
ikaw si Gretchen kung amban man niya o hindi.
Mm-mm.
Masado sa end ko, I would have appreciated if someone told it to
Told.
me. Even as simple as that. It doesn't have to be like a big conversation now.
Yep.
Like a small lang to reinforce the line of that boundary.
The boundary.
Yun lang. So, feelers, ito na po nagtatapos ang ating episode.
I hope you guys learned something from today's episode. And to AFF, thank you so much for writing in. I hope, I don't know, do we want an update? Sa'yo na lang yan. Ayun na
Yes, we
kasama.
do.
Yes, we do. But yeah, I hope this helps you with your dilemma and feelings. This has been Gian.
And this has been Pat. Bye! We love you,